electromagnetic induction. We saw in grade 11 that a changing magnetic flux associated with a solenoid can cause a current to flow through the solenoid. If the bar magnet is moved into the solenoid, it causes a momentary deflection in the galvanometer. This means that current is induced in the solenoid for that particular moment. If the bar magnet is pulled out of the solenoid, it causes a momentary deflection in the opposite direction. This is the principle of electromagnetic induction, and Faraday's law gives the magnitude of the EMF produced and indicates the direction too. The induced current flows in a direction so that it produces an induced magnetic field that opposes the change in the magnetic flux. Let us now understand the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction when a conducting coil is mechanically rotated in a magnetic field. The coil is free to move inside an external magnetic field. The axis of rotation of the coil is at right angles to the magnetic field. Initially, the plane of the coil is perpendicular to the magnetic field. The magnetic flux associated with the coil is maximum at this position. This is given by phi equals BA cos theta, where theta is equal to 0 degrees. The coil is rotated in the clockwise direction. As the movement of the coil starts, the magnetic flux reduces because the angle theta increases. This induces a current in the upper section of the coil PQ, whose direction is such that it produces a magnetic field that opposes the change, that is, the decrease in flux. The induced magnetic field needs to be towards the right, and the current will therefore flow from Q to P. The direction of current is given by the right-hand thumb rule. When the thumb points in the direction of the induced magnetic field, the fingers wrap around in the direction of the flow of current. The other sections of the coil will also have current flowing in them, according to Faraday's law. Thus, a constantly changing magnetic flux is responsible for a current to be produced.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.